Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use SEO Warrior to create link building project. Let me start. This is SEO Warrior homepage. Uh, These are the modules. Google CTR Booster. Using this you can improve your click-through rate in search engine. Bulk URL shortener. Using this module you can create short URL in more than 50 URL shortening service. And keyword rank checker. This one help you to keep track of your site ranking in search engine. And URL scrapper. Using this you can scrap URL from both Google and Yahoo. And platform finder. Using this you can find new platform to post your backlink. And finally create new project. This is the model which we going to use to create our link building project. The bottom part is project review. This review contain all your link building projects and it will show the status of each project. So for link building campaign we are going to use this menu. This is the step 1 for creating link building campaign. So let me enter information. Here you have to give your money link. In secondary link you can give more than one URL. I'm going to give 2 URLs here. Here you have to give a primary keyword. You can't give more than one keyword here, but for in secondary keyword you can give more than one keyword. I'm giving 2. If you want to diversify your anchor text, you can use this inbuilt function. This will add generic keywords like click here, go to here, visit my website, like those anchor text. If you don't want, you just click this. On the second page, the software will create a random profile information like first name, last name, username, password, and subdomain. Here you have to give your category. So iPhone, electronic gadget. Also you have to give a 10-digit number, phone number. You just give some random number. And then here is the link building diagram designer. Here you have to give your link diagram, link structure. To start with, you should always start with the money site. It will be the top and generally followed by blog link. So using this you can create multiple links. If you want to delete any property, you just select the property and click delete. If you want to delete the entire diagram, you just give a new, it will go off. And if you don't know how to create a link building diagram, you can use a default link diagram that comes with the software, like open. Just save the diagram and link diagram on desktop. So here the money site get links from wiki, article directory, docshare, blogs, and the blog and get a link from forum profile, bookmark. So this is going to be our link structure for our project. This is where you have to give your articles to be posted. All these fields accept spin articles, spin content. So I already created content for this. Let me copy and paste it. Here you can give settings like number of links per article and keyword density. Keyword density is like if your main keyword is iPhone and you want that iPhone to be less than 1.5%, you can give it here. If more keyword iPhone is found, it will be replaced. And you don't have to, basically this settings are best setting for SEO. You don't have to change all those settings. and here you can add, you can say where you want to add the link to be, in the randomly or on top of the article, link to be added on top of the article or middle of the article. So by default it is random. And one more thing, you don't have to add a HTML link directly in the content, because it will create, here I didn't add any HTML link in this content, because the software itself directly, it will, using the settings, it will add a link here. So you don't have to add a HTML link in the content. And then here bookmark settings. Again, all these fields are accept as pinned contents, so you don't have to worry about it. Even tags accept pinned content. Tags is nothing but keywords. So like iPhone 7, iPhone 7s, iPhone 7s review, which are our keywords. And here you have to select the website that you want to post the content, and you want to build link. This is an inbuilt link, inbuilt websites, and this is website that you can add, like forum. You can add for a new forum website, and if you add, like if you add 5 more websites, this 56 will turn to 61. So this one is inbuilt site, you can't add more site to this. So here you can select, in this you can select, if you don't want a link from this website, you can remove this. So if you, here blogs, bookmark, doc share, press release, everything, article directory, everything is there. And these are high PR websites, so basically you should select all those websites. And here if you want, you can select forum, bookmark, and then wikis. So I didn't add a video site. And then here you have to give your email account credentials. Most high PR blogs accept Gmail for registration. So if you want high success rate, you just create a Gmail account manually and enter it here, like some, I'm just giving some random number, and it will fill the rest of the thing. You have to enter email address and email password. The rest of the thing will be entered by the software itself. If you don't have a Gmail account, you can use the inbuilt email account creator to create an email. This one will create an Hotmail account, so I'm going to use it. One more thing, if you're manually entering, you have to ensure that you enable pop-up feature in the email account, because the software going to access the email using pop-up only. So if you don't enable it, this can't access it. If you're using inbuilt email creator, you don't have to worry, because while creating email account itself, it will enable pop-up feature. And one more note, using pop-up, software can access only inbox, so, and they can't access junk mail. So but what happens is, some websites email, registration email goes to junk mail. So what you have to do is, you have to manually log into the email account and move those junk mails to inbox. This will increase your success rate. Right. Yeah, so account is created. So let me check this, whether this account is working or not. Test connection. So the software is able to access this account. So now let's go to next step. See, this is basically where you set most of the settings, like keyword density. Like as I told you, we gave a primary keyword, secondary keyword, and generic keyword. Generic keyword is inbuilt, like click here, visitors, all those keywords. So here you can give what are the percentage each keyword should be, the percentage each keyword link should be. So by default, it will set like 33 30 in the range of 30 to 35. So if you these are best settings, so I recommend you not to change these settings. And next comes the proxy settings. Here the best part is for each property like blog property and forum property, you can separately give settings. Like blog, you can choose social bookmark, you can choose no proxy, and for blog you can choose private proxy. Like this, you can change the settings. And for video you can give public proxy, all those things. But I'm going to choose no proxy for all, so I'm just giving no proxy. And again, like same like proxy captcha, also you can give values for each of this property. Blog, you can give uh, service that is high accurate but costly, you can give for blog. But for profile and all, you can give some cheap service, low accurate cheap services. So here they give the software support 3 services. And manually, you can choose manual if you want to enter captcha, or else you can choose any other 3 services: dCAPTCHA, death by captcha, and captcha sniper. So you have to have an account with all those dCAPTCHA and death by captcha. And for captcha sniper, you have to install that software. So for this, I'm just going to give manual. So if you choose an dCAPTCHA, it will ask login and password, and once you enter login and password, it will save it in database, and next time you don't have to give login and password. And here you have to set the start campaign date, and here you have to give how many days the campaign to be spread. I like to do it on 5 days, so I'm giving 5. Multi-thread, number of thread you want to run. So if you want high accuracy, I prefer to 1 or 2 threads. If you want if you have high speed system, high speed internet connection, you can give a 10 20, whatever you want. And number of attempts, I just prefer to give attempts 5. So more attempts you make, the success rate will increase. So we have given all those information here. So we'll create a project now. Okay, our project successfully added. Okay, let's see our project here. So once we created a project, our project will appear in this project preview. See, sample project is added. So all our project tasks, the registration task, posting task, blog registration, posting, doc share registration and posting, wiki registration. So all the tasks been added here. So one by one each task will be executed. You can see the task status here. Just given manual captcha, so captcha is appearing. Profile. So you can see registration, posting detail here. So Jitsi failed, so the status is updated here. Okay guys, so we have created our project